Welcome to Campbell's Coins. Quick unboxing for you today. Couple of packages I ordered from APMEX. I actually ordered both of these on the same night, and I don't know why, but I had to place the second order. As you can see, APMEX packaged it up very well, and you see how they like taped it, so even if the box does get opened, this stays taped to the inside. Well done, APMEX. Well done. What do we have here? Oh, this is the new Black Flag coin series. If my camera will stop going in and out of focus. This is the Royal Fortune Black Flag series. This is Black Bart. There was a previous one that was Black Beard. That is a sweet looking coin. Ordered a group buy of these, and I'll be shipping these out to those people that ordered with me. But let's move on to the next. Oh, it's Valcambi, 50 grams of gold. And let me tell you, the picture that you see online, it always looks so much bigger than what it is. You can see how small. Oh, there we go. You can see how small this is. I mean, it fits the width of 3 or 4 fingers, the length and the width. So I bought these for resale. I'll be putting these up on my Instagram page. There's another Black Flag. Another Black Flag. A bunch of Black Flags I ordered. I should have ordered more, but I just didn't. But it's a really sweet looking coin, and I'm really happy to have gotten some. The price went up the night that I was purchasing them, so that was a little disappointing. But it is what it is. I should have just acted the day that it came out. I mean, I did purchase them the day they came out, but I waited 12 hours, and by that time I think the price jumped 10 bucks, if not more. So, that's what you get. Early bird gets the worm, right? All right, let's go over the second package that I bought. Also from APMEX. And this one is, this is just an awkward angle to open up these, because I have my camera right in my face. Ugh. Okay, so as you can see, nice little box. APMEX, investments you hold. I think that's really nice of them to stick everything in there like that. What did we get in this one? Another 50-gram Valcambi Suisse gold pack. Another one. I sold 2 of these, so these are already going to be shipped out to one buyer. And then I also got the Mickey and Pluto BU round. I wanted this round and I just didn't. Why do they have to put like the queen's face on the clean side? Let me see if I can find a little bit better. No. Gonna have to open it up. I thought these were really nice. And I think there's a couple more items in here. Oh, there is. Pamp gold, 2.5 grams. This is also going out, so the film is still on here because it's brand new. And one more. All right, that's going to do it for me. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing that I had from APMEX. APMEX may have a little slightly higher premiums, but they also have a lot of product that a couple other places just don't carry consistently a lot of the time. And because they do so much, I guess they can afford to hold all sorts of odds and end type things. But I would definitely check them out. I got these shipped within a day, and it was 1-day shipping, and that was free. And I highly recommend them. It was just overall good purchases. So that's gonna do it for me. I hope you guys all have a fantastic week. This is Campbell's Coins, and that is my 2 cents. Come on, George, get out of the way. Come on.